Hey there, traveler! This is the final episode of my 5-day adventure in Cambodia. It's a chill vlog where I tour you around the city and see what Siem Reap has to offer. We'll go to one of their highest rated cafes, the Little Red Fox in Kandal village, explore the Heritage Walk, and then end the day at the Independence Gardens. I'll also show you how we got back to Bangkok from Cambodia by land, so be sure to watch till the end. Morning is day 4 in Cambodia in Siem Reap. Initially we planned to go to the Killing Fields, but that was in Phnom Penh. So we booked the wrong tour, and instead we're just having brunch here in the Little Red Fox Cafe. And it was a recommended cafe online. So look at this. It's so cute.
It's so good here. It smells so good because it's a cafe. And there's coffee smell, like bun. It's a little bit of toast. It's really good. What did you order?
I ordered the chicken bagel and I also have the iced mocha. How about you?
I ordered iced latte and the breakfast bagel, which we're eating at what, 11:30 in the afternoon.
Breakfast bagel for lunch. Wow, look at the what did you put in there?
I think this is like a lump of sugar or maybe I don't know.
It's cute. Yeah. It's got a little thingy on the spoon. Let me show you. So I think this is sugar.
It's a biscuit.
Oh, it's a biscuit. Did you put it in a coffee? You're supposed to take a bite.
Sugar.
Okay. This is the sugar. Boo boo. Oh, I got the coffee. Apparently, this is a biscuit.
It's really nice.
Good. It tastes like a specific biscuit from
Eggnog.
No, but we also have this in Thailand. This is the coffee. Look, it's got a little, I'll give you a spoon. There's a little diamond. Okay, and that was the Little Red Fox. Whoopi, come join.
The sun's a nice.
I know. Kuha na ka ni Lord. Bye! So this is day 4 here in Cambodia. So since wala na tuloy ang Killing Fields in Phnom Penh, because we're on the other
Siem
side.
Reap.
We're on the other side of Cambodia.
Accidentally booked the Phnom Penh tour.
Yes.
Oops. Which is what, 6 hours away?
So now we're just walking around Kandal village. It's this really cute, quaint village area. Oh my god, it's so pretty. A lot of cool things here to know. Look at that. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, akong headband nga na siya. Lang buhok. So, you know how hot it is in Southeast Asia. Especially mga fellow Pinoy. Charot. Bring an umbrella. Yes.
Pero ang uban hiki, wala sila. Wala sila paki. Init-init.
Sige, masunog mo diretso.
Langan, siguro sa ilaha kay kanang bugnaw, butaw.
It's very hot. Charot.
Diri kay kanang, diri sila mainitan.
Are we supposed to go here or the other side?
I'm not sure, just walking with you.
Let's go. Let's go to the other side. Walk. What is the goal for today?
To chill and find a place to sit.
Enjoy,
Explore their small culture.
Yes.
I'm also like it.
And I'm also trying to look for a headband. Yes. Hello guys. So we are at the Heritage Walk. We thought this would be a mega mall, but it's fine. It's cool. It's it's very quiet here. I think there are some stalls that are still empty.
I think maybe it's all downstairs. I don't know.
Yeah. We're just gonna keep walking. So yeah, we'll take you with us. Ah, this is the spot.
So it's just a place for like strolling, leisurely strolls.
Ay, may miniso tea. Very clean. Heritage spot. These are all ay, pwede ka magtambay dira later. Are you ready for your third cup of coffee?
Oh gosh, in what? In 4 hours?
Let's take a look at what miniso looks like in Cambodia. Yes, Booby? I've been filming. It turns out the microphone that I connected to my camera is not working. So I don't know what my future videos are gonna be like. It's gonna be anyways, I'll take care of that post-processing. But right now it's day 4 of our trip here in Cambodia. We initially planned to go to the Phnom Penh killing fields. However, it's in Phnom Penh. I'm stupid. I booked the Phnom Penh one. And we're now in Siem Reap. So this morning when the tour bus contacted me, they asked for my hotel address. And I give them, of course, my address here in Siem Reap. And turns out they're in Phnom Penh, which is 6 to 7 hours away. So I had to cancel that booking. But now, well, I think there's the bright side. We're just exploring Siem Reap. So first we went to the Little Red Fox Cafe. So my sister and I were walking. We just walked all the way from our hotel. It's just walking distance anyways. And at first we were like, oh my god, this place looked so sketchy. But then after that, when we turned right and went into this little road, it was really cool. It was full of boutique stores and shops that sold cultural and artistic stuff. There were scarves, beads, and like bracelets and necklaces, and there was tea and everything. And we learned that that place was called Kandal village. So it's a really cool place to walk around in. Things are of course more expensive than what were sold in the night market, but I think it's still really cool if you want to go sustainable and help the locals. Some of the things there were handmade. So we went there. They were kind of pricey for us because we're really here on a budget, but it was still really cool. And we ate at the Little Red Fox Cafe, Espresso Cafe. I'll put the link in the description box below. It's a really nice cafe. There were lots of like foreigners there, but it was the first time in like the day since I've been here that I had good coffee, because most of the time I've been drinking instant coffee to save money and then just eating at the night market. So it's good to have good coffee for a change. And now we're here at the Heritage Walk. We were expecting more local stuff, but turns out it's more like an open space where there are stalls. Maybe on special days they can have pop-up stalls. But here mostly you will see like there's the pizza company. Next to us is Dairy Queen, and there are other stores or stalls here. There was Miniso. We went to Miniso, and what else did we go to?
We walked in front of Swenson's.
Yeah, we saw Swenson's. Yeah, that's
Amazon, Cafe Amazon.
Yeah, Cafe Amazon, Swenson. So not a lot of local stuff, but still cool open place. Right now we're gonna go back to our hotel because we're tired and it's very hot. And later when it's not so hot, we're gonna go to the Independence Gardens. It's like a park over here. We passed by on our way to Angkor Wat. And then we're gonna go to the night market, explore, buy some souvenirs because today is our last day, and tomorrow morning we're gonna go back to Bangkok on the same bus, the Travel Asia bus. So it's a really nice bus. It's around 1,250 baht. per
Per way.
way. So for 2 ways, it's 2,500 baht. I'll put the link in the description box as well. And yeah, it has Wi-Fi, it has charging ports, it also has free lunch, and there's a toilet inside. So yeah, I think that's really nice and convenient, especially for an 8-hour bus ride. We also have a bus attendant, so if you have any questions, they will help you. There's free snacks, there's water. So at first I was thinking I would just get the 700 baht van. It would be cheaper, but I think it's very worth it. It's twice the price, but overall very, very much worth it. So yeah, I would recommend getting the bus.
3 hours later.
Hello! So, I just put the Royal Independence Gardens in Grab tuk-tuk, and yeah, it brought us here in this really beautiful place. We're not sure if this is the Royal Independence Gardens. I think it is. We just went in a random place. We just followed the foreigners. Follow the other. Oh my god, the tour bus na open ang taas.
Oh, I thought there was a fire.
Bus, big bus
Parang
encore.
fire truck.
No, there are tourists there. Diba? Look, there's a little temple-like thingy over there. Then, do you look? Statues. Maybe we can go there and
go
learn
inside.
something about the statues. This is a really nice place. And on the other side, we saw people playing badminton and playing takyang. In the Philippines, we call it takyang. I'm not sure what you call it here. But yeah, seems like a really nice place. I'm not sure if I think we're allowed to walk here, since there are there's a, what do you call these? Cobblestone, charot. But the English is not Englishing. Look, it's gorgeous.
Maybe we can go out there and like see what's. It's a nice place where you can take pictures, walk around.
Yeah, look at the details of the lamppost. Nice. Flagpoles with no flags. Okay, there are signs over there. Maybe we can learn more about the people. Wow, okay, soldier number 1. Oh, it's all in Anak Sanjak Sri Vadhan. It's all in Cambodian. So if you guys could please translate. I don't know how to read, but there are statues with different weapons.
Warriors siguro.
Oh, guys, we hear music, so I think there are people doing Zumba. Okay, this is the door. Do we sleep through? Oh my god.
Yeah, no, people are just chilling.
Nice guy. Badminton, no? Guys, there's a lion in the middle. 4 lions protecting what looks like an orange ball. Maybe I should do more research. There are people walking and doing Zumba, and the Christmas lights are on. It's so pretty. As it got darker, we also got hungrier. My sister and I decided to ride a Grab tuk-tuk to the Angkor night market and have Cambodian street food. Good morning, traveler! On day 5 of our Cambodian trip, my sister and I checked out of our hotel, grabbed a tuk-tuk, and headed to Virak Buntam bus station to wait for our ride. The journey to Bangkok took about 8 hours, including a longer than expected wait at the immigration. At our pickup point in Aranyaprathet, we met a lady who exchanged our last Cambodian riel for Thai baht, a small farewell to Cambodia before moving on. Before this trip, people told me to visit Vietnam, Singapore, or other more developed places, but I wasn't looking for that. I wanted to see what life was like just 8 hours away from where I was living and to understand if war and political struggles really make evil people. And you know what? While the country still faced challenges, I've been met with nothing but kindness. Its deep history also continues to amaze me. Who knows what the future may hold? But for now, I'm just grateful to experience this beautifully imperfect world. Thank you for watching, see you, and carpe diem. Go and seize the day.